12:15, everything went out. The whole neighborhood, I looked out, it was dark.
The transformer blew right in front of my eyes. I heard it and saw the smoke.
My friends here have been without power since last Saturday.
5 days, yeah, I know.
And if you look on this side over here, the whole line is down and is across the yard. And there's another tree that broke.
Well, here we had a large limb come down. It tore down our primary wires, our secondary wires. It broke the bushing on our transformer.
I mean, you really can't be frustrated because it's nobody's fault but the weather.
We've been here about 4 hours, and we're probably going to be here maybe about 5 more hours. So, but once we're done, all of this block will have their power back.
They've been really nice. They've answered questions.
They're doing a great job. We're thankful that they're here and are able to get stuff fixed and back to relatively normal.
We're working our hardest. It's 16 to 17 hours a day.
I appreciated getting the power back on.
Lots of thank yous, lots of appreciative customers.
We recognize that this is a really hard time, and just we appreciate the work that you're doing, and we know that none of this has been easy and it's been a little thankless, so just thank you.
It makes you feel good. Yeah, it makes you feel good. We're all tired. They're going to get back on. We're going to be happy getting them on. It makes us feel good.